I mean is learned human beings, learned public office holders. We don't need always to leverage or believe in all these disgruntled politicians that are destroying Nigerian economy.
But Nnamdi Kanu must be released.
Okay, that is paramount in everybody's mind. Nnamdi Kanu should be released from prison. Nnamdi Kanu did nothing. As long as Igbo is free, Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to be free. Nnamdi Kanu is doing the same business that Igbo was doing. So I don't see the reason why Nnamdi Kanu should be left alone in incarceration, while Igbo that is doing the same business with Nnamdi Kanu is free. So what is good for gender is also good for the gender. They should release him. They should release him from the prison. I listen to me. So that's the needful. Then what Sowore is saying again about free education. Sowore is hitting nail on the head. Free education is what can lift any country that is dilapidated as Nigeria. Without education, nothing can move well in our society today. When you talk about advancement into technology and science, it is from education that you can get that. Yes, you cannot be advanced on information technology and you become at the same time holding first school living certificate, only primary school. No, you must read and read up to what? Tertiary institutions. Tertiary institutions is not only federal, even private universities, and all those ones from the investors. I don't know what you understand. That is when you will be vast in knowledge. And when you are vast in knowledge, I don't think the country where you are from will have any economic problem, we have any social problem. That is when you have technocrats, materials in the high places. Materials I mean is learned human beings, learned public office holders. We don't need always to leverage or believe in all these disgruntled politicians that are destroying Nigerian economy. So what I'm trying to say is that instruction from Sowore for Nigeria to at least start free education up to tertiary institution. That is what will take Nigeria to the Canaan land. The money that should be used to at least fund our educational system is what these people are cutting away, using all their various public or secret accounts, bank accounts, siphoning our public fund into ABSA, into what? Paris Club, into what? Swiss Bank in Europe. This time around, they should corner this money to make sure that they give educational system in Nigeria, education, a facelift.
What of scrapping the Senate?
What?
Scrapping the Senate. They said they should scrap the Senate.
Okay. Sowore made a point there, yes. The cost of the legislature that is making law in Nigeria, our money is being languished, overutilized, not in the right way by some individuals that call themselves lawmakers. The lawmakers are the people we know that are too lawless, over lawless in spending. Look at what happened when that small girl was graduating from her school. A girl from secondary school was given SUV Toyota that is worth $250,000. This guy has not graduated up to university. The girl just graduated from high school, that is college, secondary school, and the gift from his father and all his friends in the house was using over 250,000 worth of Toyota SUV as a gift to that young girl. Don't you see that it is an absolute, squandermania at the highest order? Why should they give that girl that kind of gift while Nigerians are dying of hunger? People are just melting away of economic excruciating hardship here, and they are using SUV to compensate a little girl. See, let me tell you, Sowore has come out with a better solution. I think government should listen to what Sowore is doing. They should not, concentrate on wasting our commonwealth for themselves and their families. It is not education-wise. I think Sowore has come out with better solutions.
The agenda that Sowore have, they have given the federal government. I think it's a welcome development. And but I have to tell you that your government, your leaders are greedy. They are too greedy. I don't think that with that the Sowore agenda to federal government. I don't think that it will work. I don't think so, because as I said, they are too great. 250,000 I don't think that the federal government of Nigeria can be able to pay Nigerian workers such amount. You know, I don't think so. Even the 70,000 they are.
But senators, they collect big money.
That's what we are. That's the main thing that we are, you know, the masses are crying for. That's what the Nigerians, the common man, are crying for.
They are eating billions. If they add those money to teacher money, doctors, nurses, they go feed, they pay them.
The ones they say they recover from looters. I ask the question: where is the money? Where is the money? What did they use the money for? The what they do, they discover from the looters. They are charging the former governor of Kogi said 80 billion. What is 80 billion? Where is 80 billion? You know, and it is only a common man that you will steal. End of the day, they will throw him to death. They will stone him to death. They will stone him to death. You know, that's Nigeria for you. But many them over there, they have no case to answer. They will lobby within themselves because they know themselves. You know, they don't see them to pay. I don't see federal government of Nigeria paying 250,000 to workers. I don't see so. Even the 70,000 they are charging that they will pay, they cannot be. I don't think that they will be able to pay that 70,000. They are busy. They are busy looting our country, our money. They are busy sharing our money, billions of billions, billions of billions, millions of billions, day by day. Tell me, who the job they are doing? What job they have them provide for Nigeria? What job are they doing there? Just for when they are sign paper, sign, it's finished.
Go there to sleep.
Go there to sleep, sign paper, have the sign paper, it's over. They collect sitting allowance, collect so, they collect wardrobe allowance, collect this. What I'm telling you is not naira, it's in millions. Those allowance, it's millions. It's millions. And you cannot be able to pay worker 250,000. You are talking about 70,000. 70,000. I don't see them pay that 70,000. Watch what is going to happen. Watch what is going to happen.
What of the release of Nnamdi Kanu?
Let me tell you about Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, you know, it's bone that hook them. That hook someone inside on top of the neck. Nnamdi Kanu is bone. It's like fly that holds someone in Brocos. It's a fly that holds someone in Brocos. Nnamdi Kanu issue, you know, it's a different thing entirely. Federal government of Nigeria know what the game they are playing about Nnamdi Kanu. They know. They know that Nnamdi Kanu. What Nnamdi, the cost of Nnamdi, the cost that Nnamdi Kanu is starting for, is that track. They know. Because Nigeria don't want to know the truth. They don't want to hear the truth. They don't like to hear the truth. Yes. Once you give them they see their luggage, their own collect, it's over. They control prison. Why people are dying? Why Nigeria are collapsing day by day? That's Nigeria for you. The cost of Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Even when you look at it, if you look it deep into the issue, you know that what is fighting for is absolutely right. It's absolutely right. That's how they find it difficult to release Nnamdi Kanu. The agenda that is Sowore give it to federal government about Nnamdi Kanu issue, you know, then no. That if they release Nnamdi Kanu, I think this, it will be this thing to them. It will be a threat to them. It will be a threat to them. You know, they find it difficult. Why? The highest courts have told them to release Nnamdi Kanu, that they have no case to answer. They have no case to answer. The highest court in Nigeria. The reason Nnamdi Kanu say no. Now, does it mean that Nigeria don't have any court again? Or the court favor the so-called politicians? That's what they call court favor. That's the word the court is for. The politicians. Because the word they know is lie. That's what they know. But the truth, they don't want to hear it. They don't want to hear the truth. And that's what's good for Nigerians. What's good for Nigerians? Because when we tell them the truth, they say our mouth is smelling.
But are you not sure this protest will cause anarchy, will cause just like the NSAS, are you not sure? Because government and they are scared that this thing might escalate. It might, if they not try to stop it now, they know that it might boomerang. So that do you think that this protest, do you see anarchy coming as regards this protest?
Yes, I see anarchy. It will be brutal. I mean the protest. That's why we are reversing them. That you know what to do. Earlier it's better. The federal government of Nigeria to know what to do earlier. Although they know what to do, but they know what to do because of their selfish interests. Because what they are eating in this country, when they are charity, they don't want the common man, to grow. They don't want the common man to succeed in life. They don't want you to know what they know. Every day study upon study. That's what the federal government of Nigeria, your government will tell you. When they know the truth, they will tell you, they will turn the truth upside down. Direct it in another way. You understand? So the protest, they're telling you, if they don't know what to do, now earlier is better. If they don't know what to do, or they know what to do, let them do it early. Because that protest, I think, it will be more than answers. It will be more than answers. It will be more than answers. Because now, people that are first coming in for this, the protest, it's not done.
But Tinubu is saying that they will settle, he doesn't know why Nigeria want to protest, and he will try to settle this protest like a family. Do you think that Tinubu is joking is taking this protest as a joke?
Now that Jonathan, is it not the same Tinubu that the protest against Jonathan? Is it not Tinubu the same Jagaban? Is it not the same Emiloko that mobilize the people to campaign against Jonathan? Is it not the same person? He come out to call Jonathan a drunkard. The other one come out say he will make it a government ungovernable. Say Baba, ungovernable. And on the day they succeed to do it. They succeed under the Jonathan government. Because they believe that Jonathan is an igbo man. Because once they hear that Ebere Azikiwe, hey, it's over. Enemy has entered them. Enemy has entered them. Now they come with their evil agenda, to stabilize that government, to stabilize the government of Jonathan. They write whatever they know how to write. I will say them. I will remind them. Those Westerners who know how to write, they are the owner of the media. I will always remind them. They are the owner of the media. They know how to criticize. They know how to, condemn their fellow human being.
They body move now. They are not writing it.
That's what I'm always asking them. Why can't they write again? Why can't they write? They have media. They have the radio station and television station. The newspaper, they are the owner. The majority newspaper. They are the one writing against Jonathan. Why can't they write against Buhari? Why can't they protest for that? But they with their warehouse, no daughter. Their warehouse, no daughter. Did the warehouse has collapsed? I think the warehouse is there. You see there? They do not go there. You read their own turn now. They are shouting that the youth should not come out and protest. And towards Jonathan, all of them gang up against Jonathan. Nobody said no, this is wrong. Nobody come and say this is wrong for what you are doing for to your president, the commander in chief of all armed forces. It's just like they don't value the anything coming from anything coming from east. Anybody coming from east, they don't value you. That's Nigeria for you, and that's what Nigeria can never be. Look at it as Nigeria is going. That's why Nigeria is like this. Why you don't want to take it the other side along with you? How do you think that the country will go forward? How do you think that the country will move ahead? No. Day by day, the country is sinking. Continue sinking. You can never wake up one day and hear good news about your country. You cannot be able to go out there. I'm proud of your country. Can you go out there proud of your country, Nigeria? You can't. You have to ashamed of yourself. To claim that you're in Nigeria. You rather claim another country instead of claiming that you're in Nigeria. You cannot claim Nigeria in another country. You understand my point? So they say the shame that your leaders have brought to us. And they tell you that they are doing well, which is sufficient. When Buhari come on board, the Western and the Yorubas, they said we should be sufficient. That Baba will do everything. Baba will settle the country. Baba will do build Nigeria. I mean, we are sufficient towards Baba regime. When they said they need a change, now they turned it to change. After change, they turned it to next level. The next level, we are sufficient. End of the day, what happened? Day by day, Nigeria is collapsing day by day under Baba. Now, the youth come up and say, no, we are tired for these people. We are tired. Let's bring the younger youth to rule this country. The youth come out and to support obedience. Go to here and I know. Support obedience. The whole Nigeria voted for obedience. End of the day, what happened? What happened? They turned it against the Igbos. To a local. Now, what we are seeing now is a B local. Not a local again, a B local. A B local. That's what you're seeing now. But why the thing always bothering me is the Westerners can never come up and say the truth. The Yorubas. Both old and young.
I think that they are coming out now because the younger say they talk.
How many of them? Did you hear the Sowore Yinka the other day? What you just said? Sowore Yinka. You see this about? Where is Yinka? Do you hear what you just said the other day?
No, not Tinubu friend, not Tinubu party.
Can see. So how do you think that the country will be better? Again, how do you think so?
Who's Odima too?
Like all of them, who be also them, who both of them, all of them. You call them out of them, I will listen to you. It's all of them.
It doesn't see why Nigeria should protest. Why? Why would Nigeria protest?
Because they are the enemy of progress. They are the enemy of progress of this country. You are seeing your country collapsing. And the masses are crying, getting day by day. Hungry for here and here. I can tell you that people take a sniper because of frustration. Frustration. Because they are not capable, to cope any longer.
But they will say it's Tinubu the cause of your hunger.
What are you talking? Who brought Buhari? Is he not a gang up, to kick Jonathan away? Brought Buhari on board. He campaigned for Buhari to make sure that the frustrated Jonathan government. End of the day, what happened? Now that they come back again, Buhari will do his own finish. He came, he sent a miracle. End of the day, what happened now? Nigeria is sinking day by day. There's nothing to give. There's no good thing to bring on top of the table. Say this is what our government have given us. Nothing. The federal government of Nigeria. Even it come to the worst. That's it, because before you can be able to see what came in a day, my brother, if you can be able to cook in your house now, you're a big man. If you can be able to cook soup, you're a big man. Almost it's a common man needs now. Common man cannot be able to buy fish or meat. How dare you near meat? You can only approach Pomo to cook. Pomo, that's what a common man can be able, to manage now. Pomo, giant of Africa. So what am I trying to say? Nigeria can never learn. Nigeria can never learn. And if we continue looking at these leaders, my brother, so Nigeria will continue sinking because they don't think about the better of this country. What they are thinking of is their selfish interest, their pocket, their political agenda. That's what they are thinking. They're not thinking for year 9. So what they can advance our people, the Nigerians, is to to reason to us. What is the solution? The solution is now. The solution is if we remain like this, my brother. So you and I will continue crying day by day. The solution is to, Okaf, answer your father's name. Jegede, answer your father's name. That's the solution of this country. Muhammad, answer your father's name. That's the solution of this country. Without that, my brother, we will always find it difficult. Thank you very much.